Hi friends, welcome back to the video. Hope you are doing great as always. It's a new day, new life and new learning. I'm putting coming back to the video after a week. I'm putting this video after a gap of a week. Pretty busy in my life and yeah, I after 7 days I get a time in this evening to shoot this video. And yeah, what new topic I'm come with is you must be in thumbnail you must know that 80-20 principles. So what does that is 80-20 principle really mean? So let me hit you with an example and let's try to understand this 80-20 principle with an example. So before giving me an example, I would like to tell you this 80-20 principle applies all the factors in my life, all the eras, all the sense, whenever whatever do in my life, you fixing any XYZ goal in your life, the principle applied over there. If you're doing a business, anything you're doing in your life, the principle must apply over there. So let's get back to an example. Suppose you are doing in a business and in a food industry. Suppose you are running a food truck. You must be knowing what the food truck is. Yeah. So at the end of month you are generating a revenue of nearby 1 lakh rupees of after 30 days from a food truck business. And if you apply the 80-20 principle, the best thing of about it, you don't need to apply over there, it's automatically applied over there. Let's move forward. So at the end of month you generate nearby 1 lakh of revenue from that business. And you have your customer base. Suppose take 100% customer base, and let's divide those customer base into 80 and 20%. So your 80% of revenue are generated from your 20% of that customer base. Yeah, it is that shocking. And only your 80% revenue come from the 20% of customer. So that 20% of customer base that going to generate you the 80% of your revenue of a business is your must lie under your VIP customer base. Because only the 20% of your 20% of your audience, your customer, are able to generate you the 80% of your business revenue. Isn't it shocking? So that customer must lies under the VIP zone, your VIP customer. So in business it is said that your customer is your god, your customer is your dictator. He is the only one that you decide whether you go up, go front, go down, or anywhere. That all have decided by customer. So it's become really important to understand the depth of this 80-20 principles. And once you're in a business and you have to figure out that 20% of customer base that giving you the 80% of revenue, you have to treat them like as a god. Literally, you have to treat them as a god. You have to keep in touch with them in over a time and over again. You have to understand them, you have to make good connection with them, you have to you have to know all about them inside out, what they do, what they do not do, what their taste is, what they had to do, all these things. So once you're in a business, this is the golden principle, 80-20 principle that you must have to consider in a business. Hope you liked the today's information video. If yes, give a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe my video, and please let me know your point of view in the comment section. All yours. This is Practical Vishal signing off to the very short video.